Welcome to Lincoln. My name is Rachel Barth. I'm the Director of Communications and Customer Engagement here at the Lincoln Airport. And today I'm going to walk you through all the exciting renovations happening here at the Lincoln Airport Terminal for our LNK Next Modernization project. So I'm super excited to show you guys our LNK Next project, which is our modernization project. We are taking our current terminal and really just bringing it up to date. You know, if you're a passenger and you're somebody that likes to fly a lot, you've gotten used to some of those really great amenities that unfortunately we haven't really had at the Lincoln Airport. So just trying to get everything updated. So some of the big things that we'll be doing as we work on this project is taking food and beverages, making sure that's all post security. So once you get through the TSA lines, there'll now be a full restaurant. We'll have our Flyers Club. And a big thing too is we're adding a few more gates. So, you know, pre-pandemic, we were at capacity with the current gates that we had. So we're looking at adding 2 additional gates. So we will go from 4 to 6 gates. And then, as you know, if you have traveled through Lincoln, we have split checkpoints, and we're looking to take those checkpoints and put them together, which again will help with efficiency, help our partners out with TSA, and we're excited just to have that expansion happen and show everybody all the upgrades that we're working on.